Beef fits into every concept that we have, but our focus is just to keep evolving it and keep exposing different cuts to our guests. All our restaurants have a little bit of different identity. The Steakhouse features the biggest part of our beef, but beef is not just for an entree anymore. It's appetizers, it's preparation of how it's done. The versatility of beef is people are at lunchtime, they're on a run. That's probably 30% of our sales at lunch. People want a good burger. I think the flavor profile from the chuck is really where it's at. As they eat lunch, they go with smaller cuts of fillets. You know, they might go with a tournedos or a 6-ounce fillet or a 5-ounce fillet. And then at dinner, that's when they go with the bigger cuts. You know, people like an 11-ounce or a 14-ounce strip or something like that. But it just keeps evolving as the day goes on. You know, I think when people eat lunch, they're really on the go and it's a fast pace. But at nighttime, it's more of an enjoyable meal. You can dine fast, or you can dine, you know, like a normal meal probably at nighttime is probably about 2.5, 3 hours, because you're basically enjoying a great steak and you're with family and friends and you're just having a good time. We try to take care of all our guests. It's whatever size steak. We have large steaks, small steaks, but it's the demand on what our guests want and the preparation of how they enjoy it. Beef has evolved and it continues to evolve, and the different techniques of cooking. And it's really about making the customer happy and really tying into what we're trying to do, and from flavor profiles to continue to evolve it.